In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pencil with Notion on your iPad. To get started, open Notion on your iPad and go to the page where you want to add your handwritten notes. If you already have a page prepared for a class, meeting, journal, or project, open that page. If not, create a new one so you have a clean space to work in. This helps keep your notes organized from the beginning and makes it easier to find them later. Once you're on the right page, think about how you want to use Apple Pencil inside Notion. Notion itself works best when you add content through supported elements. So if needed, insert an embed, a whiteboard, an image block, or another drawing area that fits the way you want to take notes. The option you choose depends on whether you want freehand writing, sketching, diagrams, or a handwritten note created in another app and then brought into Notion. After that, use your Apple Pencil to write or draw inside the supported tool you selected. This is the stage where you can brainstorm ideas, mark up visual concepts, sketch layouts, or handwrite quick notes naturally on the iPad. If you're using a whiteboard or embedded drawing tool, take your time to make the note clear and readable. Handwriting can be very useful when typing feels too rigid, especially for visual thinking or fast note taking. If you're creating handwritten notes in another app, make sure to save or export them when you're done. This is important because Notion may not always be the place where the handwriting is originally created. Exporting the note properly helps preserve the quality of your writing or drawing, and it also makes the file easier to insert and view later. Next, insert the handwritten note into your Notion page. Depending on the format, this might appear as an image file or embedded item. Once it's added, place it in the section of the page where it makes the most sense. You can keep it near related type notes, tasks, or project materials so everything stays together in one workspace. Finally, organize your handwritten notes by topic, date, or project. This step makes a big difference over time, especially if you plan to collect a lot of handwritten material. You can group notes by subject, label sections clearly, or place them into dedicated pages or databases so they're easy to browse later. With a simple setup like this, you can combine the flexibility of handwriting with the structure of Notion and create a note system that feels both natural and organized.